Every process begins long before the factory doors open. Life here is managed with precision from the very first day.
Health checks ensure uniform growth and safety.
Nutrition is delivered with engineered consistency. Hydration is controlled down to every drop. Climate balance keeps the flock stable and calm.
Consistency here defines efficiency later.
Preparation bridges farming and processing. The journey to the processing plant begins.
Movement begins under controlled conditions. Transport is monitored as carefully as production.
From rural origins to industrial precision. Distance is measured in minutes, not risk. Conditions remain stable throughout transit. The facility comes into view.
Every entry is logged and controlled.
Logistics align with precision timing.
Arrival marks the transition to processing.
This is where agriculture meets industrial control.
Hygiene begins before a single crate moves.
Controlled handling protects quality from the first step. Flow replaces handling at the entry point. Biosecurity is enforced mechanically. The processing journey officially begins. Every batch is traceable, from origin to output. From reception to preparation, without interruption. The factory takes control from here.
Automation reduces stress and human contact.
Cleaning begins before any processing occurs.
Human judgment supports mechanical flow.
Precision begins with alignment. Movement is designed to minimize impact. Clean loops keep systems efficient. Uniform flow ensures consistent processing. The core transformation is about to begin.
Control intensifies as processing begins.
Every step follows strict welfare protocols. Precision replaces force in modern processing. Flow continuity prevents disruption. Uniform positioning ensures accuracy. Transformation happens within controlled environments. Machines execute what humans designed. Cleanliness remains uninterrupted. Core processing feeds the heart of the factory.
Every second is synchronized.
Environmental control shapes consistency. Balance is maintained at every step. Accuracy begins with alignment. Efficiency is engineered, not rushed. Clean transfer preserves quality. Many systems, one direction. Automation now takes the lead. Intelligence now guides every motion.
Vision systems replace guesswork.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Repetition is where machines excel.
Data confirms performance in real time. Only verify output moves forward. Hygiene is automated, not optional. Problems are prevented before they exist.
Quality is verified, never assumed.
Trained eyes confirm consistency. Representative samples tell the full story.
Science confirms safety.
Results arrive without delay.
Compliance is measured precisely. Only approved product advances.
Clearance unlocks the final stage.